Figure I might as well move it over.
Oh, they got it. No problem. 14 is AJ. 47, the defense is insane. I'm telling you that. 14 is able to get a huge. Demo able to score at home. Let's see what these wins are going to look like every year. Another huge. 74-14 is huge. 4-2-7 is rocking. 74-14. 14 is also messing around those cues in their shootout. Come through the top note to create a link, ladies and gentlemen. Number 9 is going to be another color in the substation. We'll see what guys are looking for. 203, moving around. 47 is locked in. 14 in. 708 scoring for let's see if they can hang for it. They are the first version. You up here 50. I think we're going to use the water on the match. 708 with an 8 code. Another code. Look at all these things. Look at all the beautiful yellow and purple. It's amazing to see. And we are in the final section of this round. Let's see what teams will be able to engage with their charge station. 33-14 is trying to prepare for 25-39, and let's see if they can get a triple. 14-3 and 708. Let's see if they can do a double balance or a triple balance with a full balance. And 3, 2, 1.